celebrated, and this is one of the important day for all of us because health is well, as you know. Without maintaining our health, we cannot achieve any goal and we cannot achieve any target because health is everything. So due to this, World Health Organization, that is in remembers of the founding of the World Health Organization in 1948. So this 7 April is declared as the World Health Day. So this is very important day for all of us, and the main theme of this World Health Day for the year 2025 is healthy beginnings, hopeful futures. So our health condition should be maintained all over the years to come. So this is one of the important theme for this year 2025. And this year's campaign urged the government and the health sectors to invest the impactful initiative in order to prevent the preventable death and long-term well-being of the mothers and the newborn child. So this is the year celebration of this World Health Day, and many of the health sectors are doing this, are celebrating this World Health Day. So in our PM Sri ZNP Tamenglong also, today we are organizing this World Health Day. So this is one of the important awareness to all of you that health is very important in our life. Without maintaining our health, we cannot achieve anything. So due to this is very much important to observe World Health Day. So if our health condition is not good, and we cannot do anything. So as you know, all the living organisms will die one day. So this is, we all know that. But we have to extend and we have to maintain the lifespan. As far as possible, we have to live, and we want to live more than 100 years. So there are many living examples that human being can survive more than 100 years. So everybody forgetting that we will die one day. But when the time comes, we will not escape. So that is compulsory for all of us. So in order to maintain our healthy condition of our body, we should perform many activities, eat good food, and all the time we have to maintain your body by doing simple exercise daily. So in our JNB also, morning PT we are organizing. This is very important for all of you and for all of us. So exercise is very important, and eat good food is very important, and then another, sleep well. And we should sleep well because our body needs rest. Without rest, we cannot do anything. So minimum or maximum, you can say that in one day we have to sleep 7 to 8 hours. This is very important. So if we do not take rest of our body, we cannot do anything for the days to come. So due to this World Health Day is very important for all of us, and this is very important day for all of us. Thank you once again.